This dose optimization study sets the stage for us to subsequently begin a pivotal study for patients in advanced prostate cancer patients with high cardiovascular risk profiles.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Dr. Raza Bakari. He is the CEO of Medicus Pharma. And Dr. Bakari, it's good to see you again. How are you?
Thank you, Steve, for having me back on your program.
Yes, excited to have you here, especially because you've got significant news out that you've now been cleared to launch a phase 2B study for Tevrelix. So let's talk about Tevrelix first. You're looking at this for potentially prostate cancer.
That is correct, Steve. So as we have shared with your audience who have been very supportive to us throughout the course of our journey, that we have entered 2026 with multiple phase 2 catalysts. And this is one of the most exciting news for us, where the FDA has given us a study may proceed notice where we can commence a dose optimization study for Tevrelix, our asset that comes to us from after completing the acquisition of Entev. So this dose optimization study sets the stage for us to subsequently begin a pivotal study for patients in advanced prostate cancer patients with high cardiovascular risk profile. So we are out of the gate with great excitement.
Yeah, tell me about this Tevrelix and what it's looking to do. And I know that you're going to be testing a short number of patients to begin with, but explain to me sort of what you're looking at for this indication.
Tevrelix is a next generation GnRH antagonist. It is an androgen deprivation therapy where as an injectable, it suppresses the hormone axis, especially the LH and FSH hormones, which subsequently results in a testosterone suppression, which is very important to prevent progress of advanced prostate cancer. The important thing to note is that in patients with advanced prostate cancer, and there are about 300,000 to 500,000 patients that now are living in the United States on androgen deprivation therapy, the most common cause of death in these patients is not prostate cancer, but cardiovascular comorbidity. And Tevrelix, as an antagonist rather than an agonist, which are the ones that are commonly used in the market, has an opportunity to get a label indication if we can demonstrate that we are also cardioprotective. So this is set to become what we hope could be a first-in-class indication for patients with advanced prostate cancer.
Okay. Looking to enroll about 40 men starting for approximately 22 weeks. So is this something you want to get started right away on, Dr. Bakari?
We are getting our CMC or manufacturing in line. We have retained IQVIA as our CRO for this. And this is a dose optimization study to ensure that we can maintain castration level beyond day 42, which the company was able to demonstrate so far in this previous phase 2A study. So this 2B study takes us all the way to day 155, and that gets us situated to then return to the FDA to finalize a pivotal study. But for us as a company, that as your viewers know very well, that our focus is on completing phase 2 studies and then position this asset for partnership and monetize. So this, besides the SkinJet opportunity, which is ready for monetization for us, as our data read comes out, we believe that sometime towards this time next year, Tevrelix could also become a candidate for partnership.
Dr. Bakari, we look forward to continuing to follow this story as it develops. Thank you so much. Good to see you again, and really good update.
Thank you again, Steve, for having me back on your program.
All right, Dr. Raz Bakari, the CEO of Medicus Pharma.